Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this waterproof solar address sign. So this one here lights up at nighttime, and during the day the light turns off just to catch the sun. So this is the LED address plaque for your house that is waterproof in cold, heat, and snow. Alright, so right here we have our solar house number address light. This uses LED. So this is offered in two different colors. It comes in black as well as gray. So I purchased this one because my house address does not actually have a number plaque on it. So first off, right here you do get the screws and you get these little wall covers. So just in case the screws don't fit into your wall, you can use those little plastic covers. So right here is some numbers, and you can use these little white plastic cardboard things right here to go around the numbers, but I just disregard that one and I'm just going to put the numbers. So right here on the back you have two little clips that you can hang up on your wall, or you can hang it outside on a stand. So you have the on and off button right here. You get this plate right here that lights up, and then that's where you stick your stickers at, because all these are stickers. And here at the top is the solar panel. So when it charges during the day, it's auto charging, and it turns off at nighttime. So this can withstand any weather. It is weatherproof, cold proof, and heat resistant. So right now we're going to grab these stickers that goes right here on this background. So this white background right here lights up at nighttime, and these are the little stickers. So it does give you several different stickers here. They are numbered all the way from 1 to 9, and then you have a couple zeros in there. So you do get 3 or 4 of these. So if you need a longer numbers, they do give you more numbers. There is no letters in this. This is just the number plate. So you can see you got a couple of them right here. So I'm just going to grab a couple 9s, a couple 8s, a couple zeros, and then we're going to pull off it from this pack right here. And in the back is where the sticker is. That is the part that you want to peel off, and then you want to place it right on the background just like this. You can go high, you can go low. I just put it right in the middle. So you just pull the sticker off, but I'm just going to go in back to the package and get a couple more numbers. So then you could place your numbers however you like it. You could turn it upside down. Instead of using a 9, you can use a 6, although they do have 6s in there, but if you need some extra 6s, there is there. And here at the top is a solar panel that gets exposed to the sun during the day, so at nighttime your sign will light up right here in the background. So all your black numbers do light up at nighttime, and during the day it turns off just to charge it up. So it's very convenient. It looks very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the lights to turn out, and then I'm going to turn it on so you can see what it looks like. So this is a screw, so I'm going to go ahead and install it. So right now I've already installed it, and my porch light is on, so it's not turning on. So I'm going to turn off the porch light. As you can see that the lights are super bright. It looks really nice, especially from the road. You cannot miss my address. It is super bright. And then during the day, or when the light turns on, the actual light turns off. If you're looking for a nice address number sign, I would highly recommend checking this one out. You do get a lot of numbers. This looks super nice. It is solar. You don't have to worry about recharging it only by the sun. I would definitely say check this one out.